are here.
I'm here. I did not come alone. I came with my running mate. This is going to be my deputy governor.
Yes. Deputy. I welcome. Wow.
That 80 million you say you want to give me to use to run campaign. That is why I came. So you know that when I win, when we win, we are going to make you the commissioner for happiness. Commissioner for enjoyment.
Me?
Yes.
Alhaji Esmond, I make them for me. Minister enjoyment.
Hey!
As I promised
you know you can be prosecuted for that.
I get them for there 80 million.
80 million.
Because I want you to win so that I can become the minister.
No problem, Alhaji.
What?
I take up, I come, I see everywhere. I don't put up for my poster.
No,
I put up plenty obituary for sorry.
No, the obituary.
They put up poster everywhere.
Yes. Alhaji, as we speak now, everything is ready.
I don't see them.
Area boys, I have paid them to remove the poster of all other people that are contesting.
Everything.
Funke!
Alhaji, as you are talking, the people that will carry ballot box and run, they are ready.
They are running already.
You see?
Alhaji, you know the final part? As we are here before the election date, I've already paid people that are voting. As we are talking like this,
They are voting already.
The election is going on.
Hey!
From the INEC headquarters. And I'm an independent observer.
INEC, independent.
Sir,
Welcome.
there is a big problem here. Your name is not on the ballot paper. And I've confirmed it to them.
Jesus is Lord!
Did they fill in properly your complete name or your form?
Hey! I hear me to me,
So
but me.
don't bother to come and vote. You are no more a candidate. I don't bother to vote because your vote will not count.
Oh my God! Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? Oh my days!
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.
Yes, so one love, two Baba Day, so Skutu comedy. Keep watching, man.